This video is for viewers 18 and older. Please gamble responsibly and remember that this is for entertainment purposes only. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. With that said, let's jump right into the video. Yo, what's up guys, Apelong here. Today we have a banger of a video. This is actually part 2 of me depositing my Vice gloves. I'm here for revenge. If you ever fail while gambling, the trick is just double down and your profits will quadruple, statistically speaking. But before we even jump into all that, go ahead and put in my referral link, 3 free cases and a 5% deposit bonus. Alright boys, we're going to be depositing our Karambit. We're 2.6, 2.7k right now. Confirm this trade. Oh, I confirmed it. 2.7, possibly down the drain. Alright guys, after going back and forth for hours upon hours with support, they finally gave me my balance. So what we're gonna do is run a huge shared battle to start off. 3-way so we take all profits. Create battle. 3-way shared. Bum that teammate. 10% warrior. Stop. Oh, statistically, we're due to hit something here. Let's just hope it's profit. We waited all this time. Third of the battle is done. Golds. This is paying. Golds. Stop. Oh, should did a 1v1v1 in standard mode, I guess. I need maximum. We need D-lore. D-lore, gold arabesque. Hey! How much? Okay, that's rough. We need a lot more of those. We need a lot more of those to pay for the battle. Thank you. I need another gold arabesque. D-lore, butterfly lore. Gold arabesque, D-lore, butterfly lore. No, the prince would have been better. That's okay. Not the prince, Desert Hydra. It's okay. We need one more gold here. Just need one more. Please. Oh, last case. Let's see, I don't even want to refresh. Okay, here we go. Oh, gold! Bang! D-lore. Oh, it didn't even show me what he hit. Full balance, shared mode. 22 crates. 3-way shared. Who's this kid's talking in chat? RV2? I don't know him, but seems like a chill guy. He said good luck. Thanks. I'll take it. Ooh, skipped over so many golds. Okay, so Vulcan pays for 2 cases. So technically if we get 10 Vulcans, then we have to split it 3 ways, so we need like 30 Vulcans. Gold! As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, D-lore. Okay. Golds. My dopamine might be cooked. I almost want to do fast mode. I just can't bring myself to do fast mode. Stop. Oh my god, I'm hitting. I should have did a 1v1v1. Or I should just open them by myself. D-lore. Loves to give me the purples. over 2 golds. Dude, Mason, hurry up and lock in. Balkan. Balkan. Halfway through the battle. Come on, come alive in the back half. Stop! Stop, stop, stop! D-lore. 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 Scheiße. Oh! Oh, hey! Hey. Okay, okay, okay. We're back in it, baby. Give me another one. Give me another one. Well, I don't even want to look at chances. I don't want to look at chances. I don't want to know nothing. Cause I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I just zoned out there. Winnie golds. Winnie golds. Okay, I'm not refreshing. Gold! D-lore, D-lore. I didn't get to see what it was. I didn't get to see what it was. Another gold, another gold. What is happening? Fire serpent. Another gold, another gold. Oh, fade. Okay. Oh, it passed over the D-lore. Oh. Hot Rod, he hit another gold. They came alive in the back half. They came alive in the back half. Nah, if this was crazy mode, 1v1v1. Come on, give up. Kids in the chat are praying for me. Praying for me. Gold, middle. Okay. Oh! I think we break even. Hey, 100 profit? That paid. Alright, we'll do half. Half 50. He said one more case battle. They're all itching, they're all itching. Great. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have. Hey! I was just thinking if I can't even think straight. I can't even think straight. Just focus on the task at hand. Just focus on the task at hand. It's gold. Nah, I didn't blow. 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 I gotta move my desk. It's getting in my way. I'm shaking. Karambit. Oh, 700? 500? Inflation's hit like a motherfucker. Gold! Bang! Nah, this kid's hitting like crazy. Come on. Give me max win. Buns, Talon, Crimson Web. That's good. 1,000. I just need golds anywhere.
Non-jackpot might have been the goal.
It's lag.
He just hit 2, he just hit
Nah,
two.
double. Alright, boys. We're going crazy. I need Dopplers. Nah, that bricked. It wouldn't even show up yet. That bricked as hell. Case harden's not bad. Go. Bang. Shy. so what's max? Doppler Black Pearl. So we need
Your side needs to hit some too.
Doppler Pearl, Doppler Pearl, Doppler Pearl. Okay, sorry, that's fine. That's one band. DFX. Nah, yeah, that's fine. They can, my side can hit. I just don't want to. I just get Black Pearl. Oh, gold. I need more golds, I need more golds, I need more golds. Doppler Black Pearl, Doppler Black Pearl. Gold. Last two grades. That's where we make money. Gold. Go. Not enough blowing. Golds. Stop, bang. Doppler. Stop. Nah, that's bait. I didn't blow. Hey, that paid. Tap balance. Crazy dude, hey, bang. Jackpot, bang. Oh. I'm shaking. Gold. Symbiosis.
Starting off.
Show me some. Shake some. Karambit Doppler. Stop. Oh, that's worth 900. 999. No way, that was only worth 3. Syncs tweet, okay. Yeah, I was gonna say syncs tweet. It's lagging. But I don't want to refresh.
Keep the little girl off the
It
line.
went through 3. I don't remember. These 10s or these are 5s. Come on, gold medal. Gold medal. My eyes burn. Gold medal. 1v1 is crazy. Stop. Doppler, stop. Okay, that's fine. That was worth less. Oh my gosh. I'm blind. That's whatever.
Dang, it's pain. Not even halfway through.
We're definitely halfway through.
Yeah.
10 out of 15. Golds on right. Oh, it's baiting. Golds on right. Last case. Golds on right. Go. Aw, not enough blowing could save me.
They only hit on the cheap ones.
Well, 800 coins profit off of that.
Still good.
That's a little over, but fuck it. Lock in. I need golds on right. All crates are mixed. I got a bunch of everything. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Golds on right. Okay, this is paying. Golds on right. That's rough. Golds on right. Stop. Wild Lotus. Stop. Gold. Gold. Stop! Oh, we both hit. Alright, that's fine. Give him max win. Yo, this is a dub case. This is a dub case. Gold air bisque. Gold air bisque. Okay. Gold. It's so hard to keep track of what the fuck's happening. Gold's on right. Gold's on right. I know that. Mercy case. 1% Doppler from this case. Gold's on right. Nah. It's alright. That's alright. Teammates still in. Oh, I hit the 1% Doppler. We broke even now. No way. Bang. I don't even know what's in this case. Give me a butterfly or give me that op. Bright water Karambit. Gold's for yellow. Bang. Boys are making history right now. Give me yellow. That's good. That's 1,000. Gold's on right. Go. Yikes. Gold's on right. Okay. Gold's on right. No. Oh, okay. Kinda evens it out. Gold's on right here, please. Gold. That's crazy. This is gonna pay. Yellow. Actually, I don't even know if I want that out too late. Gold on right, just to end it, please. 51% red, blue. Bang. That's what I'm talking about.
You're
That's what I'm
up.
talking about.
No, I'm gonna need a knife.
That's what I'm talking about, buddy. Okay. Do I sell these, right? So I can cash out?
Yeah. Cash out a Karambit Tiger Food.
Shut up.
Well, that's the end of the video, boys. If you stuck around this long to the end of the video, you're a real one. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I have a hot giveaway at 100 subs. See ya.